Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix you need to input work email in Tremendous. So for example, I'm trying to signing up with those informations using this email at gmail.com. When I press on continue, it says email, please enter a valid work email address. This means that Tremendous doesn't accept at gmail.com, it only accepts at yourcompanyname.com, for example, or something like this. So you need to make sure to input your company's email, your email assigned to you from your company, or you can also use support at companyname.com. So this is also accepted if you have access to the company support email, you can use it, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.